Hello and good afternoon. Today is July 31st, 2021. Temperature outside is 28 degrees Celsius, which is 83 Fahrenheit. Today is going to be a little update of what I've done on the bus, plus we're also going to do a little bit of work. You can probably hear the noise in the background, and that's one of the updates. Portable air conditioner. Why didn't I get this thing earlier? It is, like I said, 28 outside, 83 inside. I've only had it running for about an hour, and it's 25 and a half over here. So it's doing a good job. Down here, remember this contraption I built? Thinking about doing it? Yeah, don't. It is a colossal mess. It is very rickety. I had to put this piece in here to stop this from wobbling. There's a screw over here to stop it from wobbling, a screw over there to stop it from wobbling. So yeah, that was a colossal waste of time. Don't do that. Okay, what else did I do? Everything here seems to be the same. That seems to be the same. Up here in my closet. There you go. Nah, that's not helping too much. That switch is for my pump. The water pump, that is. That's the gas switch for the hot water tank. That's the 120 volt switch for the hot water tank. These are all rated for 120 volts, like the switches themselves. But since you can go up to 120, you can use these on 12 volt as well, so that's a bonus. They all look the same. And this was just plexiglass that I cut out and made look pretty. And then what we're going to be working on today. This here is dense glass tile backer. And I have some, I bought one of these guys. It's a 4x16 tile, floor tile. And I chopped them up into 4x4 pieces. My battery is going flashy, go figure. Over here we have some pre-mixed concrete, ready mixed. All you have to do is add water. This is not everything we're doing today. I'm just going to explain what we're going to be doing later on, because this is a multi-day project. This is the floor drain for my shower. That nice little orange thing is Curdy water membrane, waterproofing membrane. Awesome stuff. That nice white sheet is FRP, also known as fiberglass reinforced panel, hence FRP. And over in here, this was my shower area. I had some insulation down on the floor, but I pulled that up and I put this 3/4 inch plywood in place, and I drilled the hole for the, the floor drain. And everything in here is not connected as of yet. I just measured it, make sure it worked, and we're going to put this together today. So that's the plan. We'll put this together, then we'll put the concrete down, and that's all we'll be able to do today. So let me just change out this battery, set you up somehow, and we'll get to work. See you soon. Okay, we are back once I grab my drill. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly disassemble all this. Because I need to get to this piece here. Let go, thank you. Stubborn. I need that. Let go, thank you. There we go. And actually, no, I need that all the way off. So first piece there. There we go. Now, since I'm using PEX, and this is a copper fitting, I had to buy 3 of these adapters. So in order for this to work, I got to pull these adapters off and add plumber's tape. Do not be shy about adding plumber's tape. I had a leak one time and it was not fun to fix. Just put a whole glob of this stuff on. That's one. And we will be testing it before I board up the wall, so there's that as well. Because I want to make sure it's done properly. Hate to have to come back to a major leak in my wall and tear down all the work I've done. Come on, let go. There we go. So yeah, this is going to be a multi-day project because I'll be doing this wall, the plumbing, then the floor that I'm sort of sitting on right now. Today, tomorrow, I'm probably going to be doing a little bit more concrete on the floor I'm sitting on. I'll show you what I'm talking about shortly. But yeah, it's going to be a multi-day project. Tile, FRP, all sorts of fun stuff. Looking at least a week. At least. Okay, now we have that all beautifully taped up. Yep, you can see that. Good. Just want to check the battery length. Now, grab a wrench. Nice and snug. Grab a wrench. Or trying to put it on first, then grab a wrench. Oh, that's snug. That is snug. Come on. There we go. Nice and snug. Where'd my screws go? Screws! There you are. Now we want to put this back in the exact same spot because I have this set up a certain way. Because I already have all the holes drilled in my drywall and all the holes drilled in my FRP, so I have to make sure this goes in the exact same place. Some people would say I don't have to screw this in place, but you know what? I'm doing it anyway. You know what? I'm missing something here. I had a bag here. Where'd it go? Oh, bag. There it is. Oh. These things so I can put the pipes in place. But I forgot a hammer. Give me a second. Hammer. Right, so first piece. You know what? I guess it doesn't make a difference. No, we'll start down here. Is this the first piece? Yep, that's first piece. So we need to put one onto there. Two onto this one. One onto there. We'll clamp this in place. Come on, get in place. Thank you. Oh, I love PEX. No soldering, no fires. No more burning down my house. Came close. Didn't actually do it, but came close. There we go. Nope, 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 nope. Get back into place. Get back into place. Come on. There we go. Now, get this. Come on. Thank you. That one is connected. Okay, we need two onto this one. Get this one over here. Put that into place. Okay, now this has always been a fight. I guess I can loosen it a little bit. There we go. Nope, not that way. That way. There we go. Now we have to put this into place. There we go. Give you a nice little... There we go. A lot of there we going on. Going all the way up. That's where you belong. Oh, don't you dare. Don't. You're daring. There we go. Do not make that a drinking game. I almost said it again. Okay, so one of these little guys, what do you figure, right in the middle? That ought to be enough? Sure, why not? Sturdy! Just making sure all my connections are done. Okay, one down. Sorry if that seemed a little loud. So this one goes up top. Yep, okay, so this guy gets two. Sorry I had to adjust the mic, it was bothering me. There's that. There's that. There we go. I did it again. If you make that a drinking game, you'll be drunk in no time. You get one. You get two. Get over here. Why am I so confused? Okay, not confused. You get one. And you get one. Okay. Something tells me to put this together first. Did I mention how much I love picks? There we go. Oh, I gotta quit saying that. In place. Give it a little twist. Thank you. There. I stopped myself. Ah. Come on. All the way over. That's better. Come on, a little twist. Little. Twist. Thank you. Nice miss. That's better. Grab another one of these things. What are we doing for time? 13 minutes? That's it? You really can't see this piece that I'm nailing on. Hey. I'm actually going to need two over here, aren't I? I'm going to have to put one down at the bottom here. Because it's a little longer, not by much, but it needs it. And that's a miss. No, not through the wire. Oh, that would have been bad. Don't be like that. That one. Solid. Okay, so this one needs one, and this one needs one. Let's change your view. Back you up. Come on, let go. Don't be like that, let go. Whoa! That's a steep angle. Let's zoom you in a little bit. Well, I said a little bit. Okay, that one goes there. And crimp. There it is. That one goes there like that. I need one more screw. Doesn't matter, it's hidden in the wall, so it doesn't matter if they match. And what else am I looking for? This thing. solid. Alright, next, up here, I have another one of these adapter thingies. This is for the shower, but this will not be a permanent item because this is only to test it. I would just want to make sure these three work and there's no other leaks. So that's why I'm putting this piece on. If I knew where I put my tape. Ow. There's my tape. So again, don't be shy using the tape. Last thing you want is a leak, especially with wires in that same wall. Which I'm not concerned about because they are completely covered. There are no joints in there. There's no way the water can get onto the copper itself, so it's all good. Okay, whoa. There we go. I did it again. Come on. Let go. Right. Now, I need a little piece of PEX. Just an itty bitty piece. Itty bitty. I had one here. Ooh, that could have been a mess. So, little piece of PEX. This is a cap that I'm putting on the end of the PEX. Where is it? There it is. Oh, I'm going to be so scared to do this. That's that one. And this one up here. And this is just for testing. Right, that's together. Let me just get in front of you here. Turning on the cold water. That was the pump you heard. Turning on the hot water. I think I just killed my air conditioner. Yeah, I blew a circuit. Be right back. Because of my pump, I blew a circuit. Be right back. And we're back. So yeah, that's a thing. I can have the radio going when I have the air conditioner on, but nothing else. Like my fridge is unplugged. I guess just operating the pump for those 2 seconds that you heard caused problems. What am I looking for? I need to test this line, this spot. So I need the handle. There we go. We are dry. No water. No water. Oh. Like I said, I just wanted to make sure about this connection. Everything here has to be nice and perfect. Yeah, we're good. Shut that off. Now, I should shut off the pump. Oh, you get back on there. I should shut off the pump because that way when I turn on the pumps elsewhere, oh, I need this in the on position. So this way, in a way, it will drain. I hope. Because I have to pull that apart now and I do not want to flood. Ow. So, pump off. Turned on the kitchen sink to get some water running. Bathroom sink. And we're good, I think. Comes down to taking this part. Ooh, that is stiff. A lot of tape. Oh, actually, before I do anything else now, shut off the valves. That could have been a catastrophe. No water got up here. Yeah, no water got up here. Why did no water get up here? I'm glad I checked that. Now we're going to turn the water back on. Turn the pump back on. Grab an empty pail, an empty-ish pail. Oh, I need an empty pail. Be right back. Right, so empty-ish pail and handle adapter. Okay, we got water. It works. Now I can see water up here. That's better. So task done. And we'll get to the floor right away. So just give me a couple minutes to clean this up. Oh, we're not getting to the floor right away. We have something else to do first. Be right back. Right, so now Okay, so now that we have the plumbing completed and it's not leaking and all is okie dokie, we can put the dense glass tile backer on. I already cut it. Oh, forgot to do something. Where is it? This piece. There we go. You need to put this piece on for reasons. Drill. Come on. Hand-eye coordination not working. There it is. Normally you put that piece on, then you put your drywall in place, you take a router and you router around it. You know, I actually don't know if this fits just perfectly or not. I haven't tested that part of it. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're not good. Why aren't I all the way back? Something's holding me back here. Knife. There we go. Normally you'd want to do that with a drywall saw. Normally you'd want to do that with a drywall saw, but I only have a knife here, so it worked. Now, drill, screws. The screws I'm using are ceramic coated. Unfortunately, they're self-drilling. It's okay to use self-drilling with this, but they're designed to go into steel, not wood like this. But it'll still work for what I'm wanting to do. Sorry about that brother interruption. And done. So around the edges, if you're doing this kind of a drywall thing, You want to have 8 to 12 inches for your screws around the edges, and what's known as in the field, 16 inches. Can you see what I'm pointing at? I don't even see. Yeah. So I might have gone a little crazy with the drywall screws, but hey, doesn't hurt. And one thing I did was over here, it's sticking out 3/4 of an inch, so when I put my 3/4 inch, what's the word I'm looking for? 1x4 here, it will flush up and it'll look good. I do have a trim that's going off over top of this, so it's not going to look this ugly. And my battery's flashing again. So let me change the batteries, set you up, so we can do the floor. See you shortly.